bring you back up for juvenile court then. Council Chair, council members. Sorry, I'm a little bit taller than Under Sheriff. So Chris Gaddis, I'm the Superior Court Administrator. I just want to echo what was said today about the collaboration that occurred in order to get all these stakeholders in a room together and really talk about the needs of everyone involved and how everything is intertwined with the work that has to happen. You cannot have sheriff's office without the courts. It just has to happen. You have to have the jails. You have to have public defense and prosecutor. Everything is intertwined, especially here in this county with the LINK system. We have an amazing partnership, and this whole process was just, it echoed that very well. So for our 24th department, to go back a little bit in history, in 1996 we were approved for 24 departments. We had 18 at the time. And if you think back to 1996, the changes that have occurred in this county, I think we are probably close to double the population, and we added our 23rd department in 2021. Before that, it was 2005 when we added the 22nd Judicial Department. So it has been a long time coming that we have been dealing with the growth of Pierce County without the judicial needs that has been determined by our Administrative Office of the Courts in Olympia. And so the 24th Department, as a dedicated therapeutic court, make sure that the funding is available for that purpose, and we are then able to use the backfill department in order to address any additional needs for the county. Increases in criminal cases, increases in civil cases, family law cases. We have funded our therapeutic courts, whether it's felony drug court, family recovery court, felony mental health court. We started felony drug court in 1995, so we've had 31 years of drug court supported out of our general fund. That's something that our judges decided a long time ago that it was important that we fund that. Felony mental health court came about in 2015, so 11 years that we've been funding that court system out of our general fund budget. So the idea that we can now finally ensure that funding is for a therapeutic court department instead of addressing changes in legislative law, changing in case law, it gives us the security that we have that can say, yes, these will be dedicated to a therapeutic court function. Judge Evans, anything you want to add?
I would just add this. By most estimates, Pierce County has around 70 to 75% of the cases of King County. We have somewhere around 46% of the judges. We do more with less. That is a Pierce County way. But at some point, we do hit a point where we can no longer stretch the resources that we have. And that's really, we're starting to get to that point. There's a variety of areas that we know we are underfunding, and we know that they will, if we funded those, we could have a positive impact on the lives of Pierce County residents. And that is really the position that we're starting to find ourselves in as a court, whether in juvenile court or in superior court. So.
Thank you, Judge Evans. And I would just add, it's not technically our list that LINK's improvements are going to be directed towards Superior Court, but I can say that the changes to Superior Court or to LINK's that are proposed will absolutely pay dividends for Superior Court. If you are not aware, LINK's is probably the best case management system in the country. We meet with people all the time that talk about the impacts of not having a quality case management system. That is not the case for us. We don't have the problems that most other places, and these changes will make us light years better than every other jurisdiction in the country. LINK's is amazing. It's only going to get better. It's more efficient. It's going to be more productive both for our stakeholders internally and for the public. So any changes you can make to LINK's is going to better the entire justice system. So thank you.
Thank you.